This 2026 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 8281 QBUNK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 36 feet 2 inches in length and features a driftwood interior, sleeps 11, microwave, awning, water heater, slide-out, refrigerator, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 8281 QBUNK is 7,807 pounds. This 2026 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 8281 QBUNK. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.